There are some great wallet options from Coach and the Coach outlet, and today I'm going to show you my entire Coach wallet collection, and I'll name each one so you can find and identify your favorite Coach wallets. Welcome back to returning viewers, and if you're new here, hello, welcome to Bag Feels, where I do bag reviews and comparisons that focus on feel, design, practicality, and value. Today I'm going to be showing you my entire Coach wallet collection. I'm going to start off with the wallets that I got from the Coach retail boutique versus the Coach outlet. The reason I differentiate between the Coach retail boutique and the Coach outlet items is because they are two kind of different products, even though some of them can sound very similar in the name or look very similar in design. So I'm going to start with the wallets that I got from Coach retail. Here is an essential slim wallet in the black crystal signature Jacquard. Now, I will say that sometimes this shows up more sparkly on camera. It's better when there's lights hitting it from different directions. So if I go to Costco and open this wallet, it just looks really magnificent and sparkly. And also in the daylight, it's really sparkly and beautiful. So sometimes that comes through on the camera, sometimes it doesn't. But these are just a really neat collection. They do have the Essential Slim wallet in the leather options as well, but this is in the crystal Jacquard option. And here's the inside. I do kind of wish it had an ID window because I do like those, but this one does not. You have different slots here for cash or coupons, and then lots of card slots. So if you carry a lot of cards, this is a great wallet for you, as well as an additional zippered wallet in the back. And I have the same wallet in the Crystal Signature Jacquard with the burnished amber trim. This one I'm currently using, so it's full, so I'm not going to open it right now, but you can kind of see just what it looks like packed full. It expands a little bit. But I love these wallets. These are probably my most favorite Coach wallets ever. I also have these wristlet clutches that can be used as wallets. They do have some card slots in them. So there's 2 card slots in the back, a zippered pocket in the center, and then some more compartments up here, as well as a back pocket. So it can be used as a wallet or just a standalone bag if you're just going out for some quick errands or something. This is the flower and bow wristlet in the pink color. And this is the tea rose wristlet clutch in the chambray color. It's the same design. Next I have an essential zip around card case in the color chalk. And this one I got on a sale that it was kind of weird because they just went on sale on the website. They're usually $95 and they went to $38. And apparently some people ordered it at the same time I did, and they were told by Coach that it was a glitch and their orders were canceled, but I was able to get mine for $38. It does have a slip pocket on the back, and then the inside is just dividers. You can put your cards in there. This is another card slot right here, and there's one on the other side too. I didn't even realize that until now. So one reason I like this one is because it is smaller than all of the other card cases and wallets that I've seen. And it does fit in these mini bags that I have from Coach called Dinkiers. So that was one of the reasons that I got this. And during that same sale, they also had this one, which is just called the Essential Card Case. And this is in the chalk color as well. Both usually $95, I believe, but $38 for that sale. The Essential Card Case does have a compartment in the middle where you can put folded up cash, and then of course you can put cards on both sides of this card case. This one is called the Essential Card Case, and it's in the moonlight color, kind of a pale yellow. And it didn't come from Coach with these details here with the flowers and the Peter Rabbit. These are actually permanent stickers that the previous owner put on it. I thought it was so cute and I bought it from her. So this is the Essential Chain Card Case, and it comes in all of Coach's leather colors basically. You have the 2 card slots here, a card slot here, ID window on the back, and then on the inside you have this leather lined compartment where you can put small things, your chapstick, eye drops, hair tie. And now the reason this is called the chain card case is because there is supposed to be a chain on this D-ring here, but I removed those because I don't really like that chain. It's not technically detachable, but I'll show you what it looks like on another case that I have so you can see what it looks like new from Coach. I really like this style of card case, and this is the Coach retail style. And since that's the last of the Coach retail wallets, I can now compare this for you with the Coach outlet version. So I have one here. This is the powder pink with Vachetta leather trim, and that's where the chain would be if I kept it on the Moonlight wallet on the left. So the chain has a dog leash clasp on one side, and then it is attached on the other side. Not removable unless you cut it, which we did. So the left is the Coach retail version, which is the essential chain card case, and the right in the powder pink is the Coach outlet version, the zip card case. So it can be pretty confusing with those names. You can see a difference automatically is the Coach retail version has that brass C on front, whereas the Coach outlet version has the Coach outlet logo on front. But you can see the design is exactly the same with the card slots on front, the ID windows on the back. The Coach retail version does have a leather zipper pull for theirs, and ordinarily, I can show you on another example, ordinarily there will be a metal zipper pull for the Coach outlet version, but this one is kind of a special one, and it has a T-rose zipper pull, which I thought was so cute. Other than that, they're pretty identical. The zipper on the Coach retail version is just a little bit toothier, I guess, and the hardware is just a little bit heavier. So you might be able to see the difference in size here and here. It's such minor differences, but there is a little bit of a difference between the Coach retail version and the Coach outlet version. I will just buy whichever one I like the most. It doesn't really matter to me whether it's retail or outlet as long as I like it. Here's another Coach outlet zip card case, and this one is in the sage color, and it has this wonderful pillow quilted detail on it. So the same design as the ones I just showed you. This is the usual zipper pull that you'll get on them. The chain has been removed from this D-ring. And I have one more. This one is called the Spaced Wildflower pattern with the pink leather trim, and I think it's so cute. This part is canvas, and then the rest is leather, and then you have the canvas ID window as well. So that's another difference between the Coach outlet version, is they tend to have more canvas than leather on the wallets for this style. Next, I have a Coach outlet wallet that is called a Snap wallet, and this one has the black T-rose details. When you see the T-roses spaced out far apart like this, it's usually a Coach outlet product, versus here's my Coach boutique T-rose with the flowers closer together. And I'll show you how this looks on the inside. You get your ID window, card slots, you get your compartment for cash or receipts, and that does snap close, kind of tricky to find the snap sometimes. And then the zipper pull on this is actually a Coach C. So then you have another compartment here. So that is the Snap wallet from the Coach outlet. Next, I have a medium corner zip wallet. This is in the pink petal color with the quilting. Here's how it looks on the inside. I haven't used this wallet yet. It just seems to be maybe a little bit bulky, so maybe that's why I haven't used it yet, because I'm wondering how I'm going to fit it in some of my smaller bags. So if it's a smaller bag, I'll opt for one of those zip card cases. But this is a nice size in that you can get your cash in the back. You have lots of card slots and different pockets, and then the zippered compartment on the back. And I'm just going to hold it up next to that snap wallet real quick so you can see the difference in size. I loved this color and pattern with the quilted C's on the left, so that's why I bought that one. But I don't find myself reaching for it very often because of the size. It just seems just a little bit too big sometimes, and if I want to go big, I'm going to use one of my crystal wallets. And now we come to the mini skinny ID cases from the Coach outlet. I love these, and that's why I have 3 of them. This one is in the floral print released last year, so the fall of 2025. The background color here is walnut, and at first I thought that this was black, but you can actually see the signature C's and the pattern there. And then it has the beautiful yellow flowers and the yellow trim, the ID window on the other side, and then zippered compartment in the center. There is a keychain as well if you wanted to hang this from keys. But I just like how small this is. It's just so simple and easy for when I just want a few cards, and that's pretty much it. I just put them in this wallet and go. Here's another mini skinny ID case, and this is in the lilac color with the tea roses. And this one is in the candy print. So this is actually leather. This is not canvas. It's a pebbled leather, purple pebbled leather up here, and candy printed on the leather. And then on this one, you got another unique charm for the zipper pull where it's a piece of candy, and that's the main reason I bought it. I thought that was just adorable. So you get the candy pull instead of the regular zipper pull on these, which is that little piece of leather there on the zipper. I do have a couple of smaller bags that I wanted to show you, and the reason I'm showing them in this video, even though they're not wallets, is they do come with built-in card slots, which I find a very useful feature. So this is the quilted Tabby Wristlet, or the Tabby Chain Crossbody 19, and when you see a number in a Coach listing like that, the 19 stands for the length in centimeters, so this is 19 centimeters across. So this is what the bag looks like. It's in the flower pink color. This is a much newer release, and it does have those card slots inside, so you don't have to take a wallet if you don't want. You can use those card slots and be on your way. Here's another small bag that has built-in card slots. This is a Coach outlet mini Rowan in the sage color. Sage on front and dark turquoise on the sides. And there are the card slots. You get 2 card slots in these. So I'd love to know what you guys think. What's your favorite Coach wallet? Let me know in the comments. I've got lots more videos coming, so feel free to mosey on over to my channel and check it out. Thank you for watching.